Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Foreplay channel. It is morning 5, which is the final day here of Temptation Cruise March 2026. And we are packing. It's around noon. We slept till around 11-ish. And then we went and we got a little bit of breakfast. And now it is time for us to pack. So we say this every single time. But we do not like to leave the packing till the end. We like to do it at the beginning. And then that way we can enjoy the rest of the day. It's a sea day today. So there is a pool party. Whereas we just want to hang out, go have a fun time. But we got to get packing done first. There's also some shows and some other fun stuff going on today. So yeah, gonna get packing and then, I don't know, get lunch or I don't know what we're gonna do after that, but definitely gonna get packed first.
Guys, real quick, if our content helps you out at all and you plan on going on a spicy cruise or lifestyle cruise in the future, we'd greatly appreciate it if you'll consider using our links to book your next trip at foreplay.com/cruise. It's completely free to you, but it helps us out a ton, helps us be able to continue to make content like this and help others on their lifestyle journey. You'll be part of the Foreplay group and be able to take part in our private get-togethers on board to help make those connections with others and receive handmade thank you goodies and an insider's cruise guide to help get you prepared with everything you need to know before going on a spicy cruise. Again, that's foreplay.com/cruise. Now let's get back to the video.
Packing everything away. Bella's taking a little video right now. Guys, look at all of these gifts that we received throughout this cruise. This Puerto Rico Bad Bunny bag. We have Canadian things. We have door knockers. We have recovery. What's that called? Door hangers. Hangers. We have crochet. We have more crochet. More crochet. We have shot glasses. We have. Look at this flogger. A handmade flogger. We have fans. We have keychains, candies. People are so kind. There's so much cute stuff.
No,
I'm so thankful.
Thank you guys. You literally never need to bring anything, like ever. You never know. We don't need gifts or anything, but I always like to show all the cute stuff that we get. They're so fun.
And then we use them later, and it reminds me of, like, whenever we get home, these will be used.
This would be great to use like now.
No, right this second.
Yeah.
Look how good the fan is, and how cool.
Really?
Whoa.
I mean, it like really. We should
Whoa.
probably leave this out.
That's a good one.
Bring it tonight.
This is what people marked on here. Some of them are ours, but we're gonna go through and erase it and do our final spicy bingo tally. We know that we already got one bingo, but we're gonna see if we ended up getting any more.
All right, this one times 4. 3 for me, 1 for you. This will be me tonight because I am wearing shibari tonight. Yes. I cannot believe we haven't done this yet. Yes. Oh, okay. That's this bingo. We got this bingo.
Ooh, the cross.
Finally.
Guys, the door is getting taken down. I feel like it's such a sad, like it looks so sad now. Look at it, just like empty.
Well, the worst part is that we're going home. But also, whenever we're walking back to our room, I never really remember our room number. And I just look for our decorations and our pineapples. And when our door is just completely bare, I all the time walk past our room, like on the last day.
It's like how you find your room is because you have all your little decorations, so it makes it so much easier. I love this door decoration, okay? We have, doesn't seem like anything, and then right here, you have one really key. All right, guys, packing almost done. We actually did go, also they were doing a bingo that Raja, the drag queen, was like hosting a bingo.
Our first game winners. What I think about going to the next game? Yeah. I'm okay with it. Y'all ready for a new game? Shoot, there was so many people that was already close. Y'all was close, but no cigar, okay?
And Rajan won RuPaul's Drag Race. I don't know what season.
That's pretty cool though.
She was there, so that's cool.
Yeah, doing bingo, which was super fun. So we just went down there and like watched it for 5 minutes just to see what it was like. And now it is time for the pool party. It is like a gold themed pool party. Mm-hmm. I didn't get the memo that it was gold themed, so I literally have 0 gold things. So, but we are gonna stop by, grab a quick lunch at the buffet before we go out and head to the pool party. Bella's doing her rope stuff to get ready, but mostly everything is packed now, which is wonderful. We just have some stuff that we have to leave out so that because we're gonna need it later. So that stuff is not put away yet, but feels much better that most everything is put away. So now we can actually go and enjoy ourselves throughout the rest of the day. Update. So last time we saw you, we were just gonna go to the pool party, and that is all we had done was go to the pool party.
We went to go get food. We went to go get a little snack. Because Jase was going to get a little... Did you even eat food or did you just get ice cream?
I had a piece of pizza. I had some salad and like a little bit of rice and like an Asian noodle type thing.
So when we went into the buffet to go do that, we actually ran into this couple that we met. Did we meet them in the elevator on the third day?
I think it was on the third day.
Yeah, third day.
And then we met them again like a breakfast on the fourth day.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And they're really cute. And we were talking just like kind of standing in the buffet for a while. And so then we asked if they wanted to, because they said they were going to get a bite to eat and then they were going to a class. And so we were like, oh, do you want to grab some food with us real quick? And then so then we have so much in common.
Yeah.
They're so cute. They're so fun, so sweet. So we didn't get to talk to them. I mean, we talked about maybe spent
half an hour.
Yeah, half an hour.
45 minutes.
And then we told them where we're going to be at night. So then we can introduce them to like our other group of friends. I think everyone will really get along. So that was really fun being able to meet like another couple.
Yeah.
I would say that was like the biggest event.
Well, there was it Jello wrestling? There was a
that's
Jello
true.
wrestling contest. And so
They
that
won
was
a
pretty,
cruise.
the first place person won a cruise, and the second person won like a weekend at Temptation Resort.
Yeah.
So pretty good prizes, and that was fun. And it's really cool because of how they have the stage laid out this year, where they have one of the pools covered with like the green grass. They were able to put the pool in that area, so it really had like an awesome viewing area because like you could
mean
sit,
the pool where the
like they put the mini pool where they did the Jello wrestling on the grass area. So it was a really great place for like an audience where you could stand all around and like really get a good view because sometimes it's hard to see those
when
like
it's flat.
well, yeah. So that spot worked out really well too. And then we just once again our friend group has this area that was like over in the shade at this table.
It was breezy.
Yeah, we just sat
nice.
and talked for 2 hours, and you crocheted and
I did go dance for a little bit.
yeah, I danced for a little bit too.
The Cupid Shuffle played, so then Jase was doing it like on the side.
I was just doing it by myself. I started with some friends, and then they stopped doing it, so I just did it by
Oh yeah,
myself.
you were by yourself. And so then I saw our other friend group over on the dancing area where the lawn was, so we went over there and danced with them. And then I met a girl who had like the most beautiful gold sparkle shimmer all over her, and her husband both. And we actually met them on a cruise 2 years ago, they said. But I asked her where she got it, and then she told me, and then she was like, do you want me to bring some? I was like, no, it's okay. And then but she was like, no, I really want to. So then she went and she got some. Guys, look how pretty it is. Whoa, you can really see it. Look how pretty the glitter is. I feel like if I maybe turn this, maybe you can see it a little better.
No, can't see that.
But in real life, it's like so sparkly, and it looks like a goddess.
It looks awesome. It's really pretty.
So I'm going to, and then she was putting it on other people too, and I was like, this is a great way to make friends, actually. So I'm gonna get some of that. Once I find it, we can try to link it on our Amazon page or something.
And that's pretty much what's happened. So the rest of the time was just talking and hanging out and doing that little bit of dancing. And then now we are going to just have a group dinner with some of our friends. We always have on the last night to get dinner with a group of friends. Just
We've gone dinner with the same group of people 4 out of the 5 nights, because one of the nights we did our meetup dinner.
Our other group dinner, which is actually interesting. I feel like me and you always do at least one
I know.
kind of date dinner, but we've just had so many friends on this one. It's been really fun just to
like I found myself wanting to spend as much time with them, because we're not going to see even one couple we're going to see in like 3 weeks, but the other couples we might not see, like our other really close friends, we might not see for like 6 months. So I feel like we want to
and then some people
I
their
don't
next
know when we're
cruise
gonna
is
see.
Temptation like next year, which is October, so like you won't see them for like a year and a half. Also, it looks like I have a hickey on my neck. Does it look like that in real life, or does it just look like it on the camera? Because
No,
I
it
keep looking at
does look like-
myself in the camera, and that is not a hickey. I think that I must have scratched myself or something.
Sure.
I wish I would own it if it was, but But so that's not that exciting. But we are about to go to dinner, and so we'll have a nice meal, and then there's a few other things going on tonight. We're
going straight to
erotic.
Did we talk about karaoke last night?
I don't think so. That was an incredible highlight. We have videos that we were able to put in last night's vlog, but we didn't like talk about it today.
That was so fun. I did Wanna Be by Spice Girls with 4 other people. One was a guy and then 3 other girls. And we did Wanna Be by Spice Girls and then someone else who's from also. So this is like a lot of foreplay people. And then one of the foreplay couples, they did Pink Pony Club and they wanted people to come up with them.
Yes,
and then it was a huge group of us that just like went up and like screaming Pink Pony Club. It was so cute.
Yeah, it was fun. One girl did Hot to Go, and it was just
oh my
really
gosh,
fun.
yeah.
And then we went to a nighttime party. But the karaoke was really fun. We've only gone to karaoke like maybe once or twice on lifestyle cruises ever. But that was a fun one.
We've never participated before.
No, never participated.
When you're with your friends though, like I can see how it's fun. And we have two people in our group can actually sing. So it was really funny because whenever they came on and we heard and we were like, wait a second, who's that? Who's that actually is really good at singing?
But we'll take you along for the rest of the night. But we were talking earlier, I think this has been our favorite Temptation cruise we've ever been on. We've had so much fun. I feel like we've made the most connections we've ever made. We've had the most experience we've ever made. I feel like yeah, we've had just so much fun, like just talking and hanging out. Like we always have that much fun, but like this time it was just the group was
don't like that lip combo.
The group has just been so incredible.
Yes,
like, the group has been so incredible that it just
I don't think this is the most amount we've ever played, is it?
We've played 4 times on 5 nights.
That's true.
And technically, we could play tonight, like, which means that would mean you technically would play every day. Like, that would be a lot. And
no, we didn't. Oh, well,
but like, it would be like 1 time a day if you averaged it out.
Yeah.
So that's quite a bit. But it's just been a really, really fun, memorable cruise. And just one of my favorites ever.
Wait, I think I need to put some other color to make it. It looks like it's too dark on the outside, no?
It doesn't look bad, but it's not my favorite as some of them you have.
All right, guys, we're gonna fix it. The theme tonight is seductive control. It's the kink theme, and so we have some rope here I had to cover because I'm wearing basically just like floral stuff here, so you can't really see. We'll try to put in a picture that's edited, and then Jase has to wear his robe right now for YouTube, but you'll see what it looks like.
But earlier, the last time we saw you, were about to go to our group dinner with a great group of friends, and we had another amazing night. I laughed so hard tonight, like to the point of tears.
Actually, yeah.
Laughing.
There was a point where we were all like clapping, like for one of the people at the table. It was so funny. It was just like a lot of funny stories being shared and swapped. And I feel so lucky because every single time, I mean, I love the entire group, but I swear every time that we're at a table, we've been with different people every time. At least most of the people are different.
Which is fun.
Yeah, which is great. And I swear we're always the ones laughing the most and having the most fun and just being like stupid.
But it really was an amazing dinner. And then we headed straight from there to the erotic show. Erotic show is always incredible, and it was incredible this time as well, just like every single time. And then we also went through the playroom. We're gonna put in some videos here. The playroom is very similar to what it looked like in October, but I think it's even better now. So you have 3 different sections. You have a red section, which is more of this, I'd say, dungeon type section. There's a lot of
like a glory hole, reverse glory hole. They have a lot of equipment in there, so.
And there's a lot of beds. You just have this red lighting, and it's a really awesome just layout. It feels very sensual. And when you walk through the next little section, you have this area that's more an exhibitionist and voyeur type area. It's a little bit brighter, but this time instead of having 1 circle bed with several around it, they had like 1 really large group bed. And also I didn't mention, but in the red section, they had a group bed in there as well, which they didn't have last time. That's something that I thought they needed to bring was a little bit more group stuff, which they did. So that middle kind of exhibitionist voyeur area also had a bigger group bed in there. And it was like brighter, but also like still dark and purplish. And then you had 1 more section called the Neon Jungle, which was
neon and greens and blues and all these vines, and also just it creates like 3 different areas in a playroom, which is a really cool feel. And so I feel like it's an awesome playroom, and I love that they kept this playroom up and made it, in my opinion, even better than last time.
And they didn't do the huge group bed in the exhibitionist area in the very middle. They didn't put all the beds together every single night, but for tonight they did. And so it seems like maybe they'll be switching it up, which is really nice.
It has been an amazing Temptation cruise, I think one of our favorites yet. And so we're gonna go down, dance to the party, hang out with our friends one more night, and see where the night takes us. But thank you guys so much for watching this series. Make sure to leave a like, comment below if you guys have any questions, and then make sure to subscribe so you never miss when you post a video, and we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!